Hey all, welcome to our channel GUVI. Today we will dissect three different paths one can lean towards starting their tech journey. You're ready to dive into tech, but then comes the question, do I go to college or spend money on a bootcamp or just hit YouTube, build projects and wing it? Let's see the pros and cons of each path. Before we move ahead, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Now, everyone has an opinion about these sorts of things. Your friend might swear by bootcamps. Someone else is all about CS degree or absolutely nothing. And then there may be that Reddit thread telling you to just learn it on your own. But the truth, it depends on you. First, let's see the CS degrees pros and cons. What are the pros? Structured learning. You will learn the why, not just the how. Looks good to traditional companies like FANG, banks, and big tech. Campus placements will be there, you can network, and there will be internships as well. But what are the cons? You will be spending 3 to 4 years of your life. It can be expensive, and some curriculums may be outdated. You might graduate knowing Java but not Git. So, if you like structure, want to understand theory deeply like algorithms, data structures, OS, and can commit to that time, this CS degree does you solid. The next one is boot camps. What are the pros? It's fast paced, most are 3 to 6 months. Now, let's see the pros and cons of boot camps. Pros are it's fast paced and you can finish the courses in 3 to 6 months. Job oriented, they teach what the companies need currently and right now what's in trend as well. Community plus mentorship is equal to you will feel less lonely. But what are the cons? They can be very pricey, and not all boot camps are equal. Some are amazing, and some others are money pits only. So, you will still need to hustle for your first job. So, if you're switching careers and on a short time and willing to go all in, this might be your launch pad. And finally, let's see what are the pros and cons if you are self taught. The pros can be it's free or cheap. Tons of YouTube videos, documents, free code camps, etc. are there. You can learn at your own pace and you can build actual projects from day one. But what are the cons? You will have absolutely no guidance and the risk of getting stuck or overwhelmed is there. It can be hard to stay consistent. You will need to prove yourself with a killer portfolio. So if you're self-motivated, love figuring things out solo and don't mind the occasional breakdowns, self-taught is for you. So let's quickly see what are the goals and styles and what is the best path for you to take. If you want to learn deep theory, big tech and you have time to invest, then go for a CS degree. You have a quick job switch and a structured sprint, you can go for boot camps. Budgeted learning and self portfolio building is equal to self taught. And guess what? Many devs combine all these paths. A CS grad will go to a boot camp to upskill. A self taught learner will also go for a boot camp for structure. So, whatever you pick, just start. Ask questions, stay consistent, build things, and hope this video was helpful. Make sure to like and share, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on that bell icon for new video notifications.